Good morning, students. Today we will solve the word problems of exercise 3.4. The first word problem is that if we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, a fraction reduces to 1. And it becomes 1 upon 2 if we add only 1 to the denominator. What is the fraction? So first and foremost, we will say you know that fraction contains of numerator and denominator. So we will say let the numerator be x and the denominator be y. Therefore the fraction will be equal to what? X upon y. That is numerator upon denominator. Now according to the question, he says that if we add 1 to the numerator, so we are adding 1 to the numerator, and when we subtract 1 from the denominator, we are subtracting 1 from the denominator, the fraction reduces to, it becomes what? It becomes equal to 1. If we don't have anything in the denominator, it is 1 by default. The next case he is saying that if we only add 1 to the denominator, in the next case he is saying that the numerator is x and we are adding only 1 to the denominator, so y plus 1. The fraction becomes what? It becomes 1 upon 2. So this was the condition given in the question. So this was the first condition and this was the second condition. Now we will solve these two equations further. We will simplify them. So we will cross multiply over here. When I cross multiply, x plus 1 into 1 is x plus 1 and y minus 1 into 1 is y minus 1. I transpose y to the LHS and plus 1 to the RHS. I get the first equation as x minus y equal to minus 2. I hope it is clear. Similarly, we will simplify this condition further. Again we will cross multiply. So I get 2x is equal to y plus 1. So it becomes 2x minus y is equal to 1. So these are my two equations, that is equation 1 and equation number 2. Now observe these two equations and we have to use the elimination method. You very well know what do you understand by elimination? It is to remove one of the variable. So we can clearly see over here that when I subtract these equations, y gets eliminated. So I will be subtracting equation 2 from equation 1. So this becomes x minus y is equal to minus 2, 2x minus y is equal to 1, and when I subtract, the sign changes to minus and this sign changes to plus. So y gets cancelled. Here I am left with minus x and here I am left with minus 3. Minus minus gets cancelled and the value of x is 3. Now I will use the substitution method and I will substitute the value of x in equation 1. So equation 1, there was x over here. I have substituted 3 in place of x. 3 minus y is equal to minus 2 and I get the value of y as 5. So I have x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 5. The fraction is x upon y. Therefore ultimately what is the fraction now? It is 3 upon 5. I hope it is understood.